We all have hobbies, those passions that ignite our soul outside the daily grind. But have you ever stopped to think how these hobbies can actually fuel your career growth? I have, and let me tell you, it was a game changer. I vividly remember when this realization hit me. I was working on a complex project, the kind that makes your head spin. Deadlines loomed and the pressure was on. To unwind, I turned to my trusty old friend photography. As I framed shots, adjusted settings, and waited for the perfect light, something magical happened. The stress melted away, replaced by a calm focus and a surge of creativity. It was in that moment that I understood. My hobby wasn't just a distraction, it was sharpening skills that were directly applicable to my work. The problem-solving, patience, and eye for detail that photography demanded were the same skills I needed to excel in my professional life. This, my friends, was the aha moment, the start of my journey to unlock career success through hobbies. Let's dive into some specific hobbies and how they can equip you with valuable skills. Take cooking, for example. This culinary art is not just about whipping up delicious meals. It's a masterclass in time management, resource allocation, and creative problem solving. Then there's travel, the ultimate teacher of adaptability and cross-cultural communication. Every trip is an opportunity to step outside your comfort zone, navigate unfamiliar territories, and broaden your perspective. And who knows, you might even pick up a new language or two along the way. Photography, as I've learned, hones your eye for detail, patience, and composition skills highly valued in various professions. Whether you're designing a presentation, analyzing data, or simply crafting a well-structured email, the skills you acquire through your lens can give you an edge. The beauty of hobbies is that they cultivate transferable skills, those versatile tools that can be applied across different domains. Let's break it down. Problem solving. From troubleshooting a recipe gone wrong to finding your way in a foreign city, hobbies force you to think on your feet and find solutions. Creativity. Whether it's experimenting with spices in the kitchen or composing a stunning photograph, hobbies nurture your creative spirit and ability to think outside the box. Communication. Travel often involves interacting with people from diverse backgrounds, honing your communication and interpersonal skills. Time management. Juggling a hobby alongside work and other commitments requires efficient time management and prioritization skills. These are just a few examples of how the skills you develop through hobbies can translate into valuable assets in your professional life. Now, it's your turn. Take a moment to reflect on your own hobbies. What are you passionate about? What skills have you gained from these pursuits? How have those skills benefited you in your career? You might be surprised at the connections you uncover. That coding course you took for fun? It might have sparked an interest in software development. Your love for writing poetry? It could be enhancing your communication and storytelling skills. Embrace your hobbies, nurture your passions, and watch as they unlock new levels of career success. Remember, the skills you acquire outside the workplace can be your secret weapon, setting you apart from the crowd and propelling you towards your professional goals. So go ahead, pursue your passions, and let your hobbies pave the way for a fulfilling and successful career.